Hey neighbor, Bigbenthiessen here with RE/MAX Executives and welcome to Crescentwood. We are in a fantastic location. We're close to shopping, public transportation right at the end of the street. We've got Corydon with cafes, restaurants, other great little shops. You're gonna absolutely love the location. But let's talk about right behind me here. Cute as a button, 893 Dudley Avenue. You are gonna love this property. Lots of great updates. We've got an updated roof, we've got updated flooring, updated paint throughout. We've got a high efficiency furnace, hot water tank, 100 amp electrical, so many great things. You're gonna love it. Let's go check it out. Well, here we are in the backyard and it is a fully fenced private yard. If we ever get summer, it's gonna be fantastic to spend it in this backyard with the fire pit. You've got a nice fence, you got parking for 2 cars, you even got 2 sheds. Well, I guess that'll conclude our tour here at 893 Dudley. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property or maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their names in the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. Crescentwood. Crescentwoody. You know what? I kind of got a Crescentwoody for this house. Maybe don't put that in.
That was beautiful.
Yeah, I am beautiful.